In a lush, vibrant forest, there lived a clever bird named Pico, whose bright blue feathers and keen eyes made him stand out.
Help! I'm trapped.
What's going on here? Oh, Nibbles, don't worry. I'll get you out. Hold still, Nibbles. I'll clear these twigs and leaves first.
Thank you, Pico. I knew I could count on you. I'm free. Thank you so much, Pico.
That's what friends are for. Now, let's find you something to eat. Look at those berries, Nibbles. Let's gather the juiciest ones.
These are delicious. Thanks, Pico.
Mom, Dad, where are you?
Someone sounds lost. I need to help.
Mom, Dad,
Hey
Where
there,
are
are you
you?
lost?
yes, I can't find my way back to my family.
Follow me. I know this forest well.
We'll get you home. Don't worry.
We'll help too.
We'll help too.
We'll help too.
There you are. We've been so worried.
I found them. Thanks to Pico and Nibbles.
Thank you, Pico. Your kindness and cleverness brought our family back together.
It's what friends do.
Pico became known as the clever, kind-hearted bird of the forest. Animals of all kinds sought his help, knowing he would always find a way.
Thank you, Pico.
Thank you, Pico.
I'm happy to help. Let's keep our forest a wonderful place for everyone.